Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to publish a PDF file in a post in Padlet. Just open the app, open a Padlet, wait a little bit and then tap on the plus sign at the bottom of the page and then you will have this thing here. You can write something as a subject and as a body text, and also at the bottom you will see some options, but you need to tap on the last one with the plus and the number, and only after that you will see the document option. Tap on it and then you can easily select your PDF file. Tap on it, wait a little bit, and it will be uploaded soon. If you're satisfied, tap on publish. And that's basically it. I hope it will be useful.